Have you ever wondered how a simple idea can turn into a steady stream of $10,000 monthly income with no upfront cost? Today we're diving into the world of generating passive income through innovative and low-risk strategies. Imagine the appeal of YouTube automation, where you can make money without heavy investments or extensive resources. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets behind this lucrative opportunity and show you how to leverage it to your advantage. Stay tuned as we tease the step-by-step guide that will empower you to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. Get ready to unlock the potential of turning your ideas into a profitable reality. Starting right here, right now. Identifying the simple idea. When it comes to generating significant passive income, the key lies in identifying a simple yet profitable idea that resonates with both personal interests and market demand. Start by brainstorming potential ideas that excite you and have the potential to capture the attention of a wide audience. Evaluate each idea's feasibility and scalability, ensuring that it can grow without the need for upfront costs or heavy investments. Consider leveraging your existing resources and skills to develop the chosen idea further, maximizing its potential for success. By combining passion with market research and strategic planning, you can uncover the perfect simple idea that has the power to transform into a lucrative source of passive income. Implementing low-risk strategies. Ready to monetize your simple idea and turn it into a profitable venture? Let's explore innovative and low-risk strategies that can effectively generate revenue without breaking the bank. Start by researching various monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or digital products, to identify the best fit for your idea. Test and iterate on these strategies to optimize revenue generation while minimizing financial risks. Focus on building a sustainable income stream that can grow over time with minimal investment, ensuring long-term success and stability. By strategically implementing these low-risk strategies, you can unlock the full potential of your idea and pave the way for a lucrative passive income stream. Maximizing YouTube automation. Looking to scale your passive income generation on YouTube? Let's dive into how you can leverage automation tools and techniques to streamline your content creation process and maximize revenue potential. Start by utilizing automation tools for video editing, scheduling, and audience engagement to save time and effort. Optimize your video SEO and metadata to increase visibility and reach a wider audience, boosting your channel's growth and monetization opportunities. By creating an efficient workflow that minimizes manual tasks and maximizes automation, you can focus on creating high-quality content while letting technology handle the rest. With the right automation strategies in place, you can unlock the full potential of YouTube as a passive income generator and take your channel to new heights. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, my YouTube Mastery course has everything you need. The link is in the description below, or check the comments for more details. Scaling income to $10,000 monthly. Ready to take your passive income from a simple idea to $10,000 monthly? Let's map out a detailed roadmap to help you achieve this ambitious goal. Start by setting achievable milestones and goals to track your progress towards reaching the desired income target. Diversify your revenue streams by exploring new opportunities for growth and expansion, ensuring a steady flow of income from multiple sources. Monitor performance metrics closely and be prepared to adjust your strategies to consistently meet your income goals. By staying focused, adaptable, and proactive in your approach, you can pave the way for substantial financial success and turn your passive income dreams into a reality. Conclusion? In conclusion, we've explored the transformative power of turning simple ideas into profitable income streams with no upfront costs. By embracing innovative and low-risk strategies, you can build sustainable revenue sources that have the potential to generate passive income month after month. Remember, the key lies in setting achievable goals, diversifying your revenue streams, and leveraging automation tools to streamline your workflow. Now is the time to take action and start your journey towards financial freedom. Subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video with others who are eager to explore the world of passive income. Dive into related content for further learning and success. Together, let's unlock the endless possibilities of generating passive income and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, my YouTube Mastery course has everything you need. The link is in the description below, or check the comments for more details. Please subscribe if you found this valuable. I have loads of videos up and coming that will help you and bless you on your journey to freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. This is your time.